right, I'm here with Tim.
Hi.
Tim, good to see you.
Yeah.
We did not talk at all. I've been wanting to talk to you since last year.
Okay.
And we missed you. So you happened to be here at the trade show. We didn't talk a single sentence. I just grabbed you.
Yep.
So we didn't go through this or anything beforehand. Tell us your experience with Petit and all that good stuff.
We're on our second year with the Petit, and our numbers have almost doubled again this year from what they were last year.
Okay, so your first year you doubled from your old machines.
Well, we didn't have any in-bay automatic machine. We just had self-serve.
Okay,
so we started right out of the gate with a Petit. After our research and review.
Okay.
We found that it was the most reasonable and economical for us.
Yep.
And kind of fit in our bay. And it's been bulletproof.
Awesome.
Well, I think we've had one issue with a sensor going bad. We called, and within 5 minutes we got an answer. Walked through it with the spare part, replaced it. Another one was at the door Monday morning. It was just no downtime.
Awesome.
It's been incredible.
And what is your experience in car washing, or what is your background?
We've had the wash for 10 years, and we were all self-serve up until the last 2 years.
Okay.
So this is our first walk into automatic.
Okay.
And so we've learned a lot.
Sure.
But we've had great support between Petit and Synergy, our soap supplier, and Dencar, the pay station.
Okay.
So relying on the experience has been fabulous.
Okay, so you're running monthly plans then, it sounds like.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Yep.
And it sounds like your volume's doing pretty good. You said you doubled from last year?
Yes, we have. Yep,
okay.
Absolutely. As soon as we put the Dencar pay station in, our volume started increasing.
Okay, so as soon as you added monthlies, your volume started going up, which is good, and the Petit machine can obviously handle that, no problem.
Yep.
And you said it was the most economical for you. So explain that thought process there.
For the delivery process and the timing, and because we built the building ourselves and we actually installed everything.
Okay.
So it all fit within our budget and timeline.
Got it. Okay.
And the beauty is that it's very simple.
It is very simple.
It's very simple.
And a lot of people don't realize how simple it is.
And it accomplishes the job in a very good way.
Yeah.
Very clean, very powerful.
And about how many, everybody sets up a little bit different about how are your washes set up, how long are they taking?
Our ultimate wash, we have 8 passes, which takes about 4 minutes.
Okay.
Our medium one takes about 3, and then we have a basic for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Just kind of a quick rinse in and out.
Okay.
The other part that people love is the underbody spray as you enter.
Yep.
So I actually had a customer call, and that's what they were looking for. No one else in the town had an underbody spray.
Okay.
So
got it.
There's just a few little unique things that set it apart.
Yep. And when you were researching, explain your process there. You researched a lot of different machines.
Yes, I've worked with a soap supplier, and so he would always tell me about all the 3 major manufacturers. And when I found out that Tom, I'm assuming he went and took the best parts out of the better parts.
Designed the best motions and parts and designed everything out of it, all the unreliability out of the other machines.
Right, and as an owner-operator, he saw what failed and built.
He designed around it, absolutely,
yes. And that's what is impressive to me as an owner-operator and as one who builds. And so when you can actually work on it, you know what stands up and what does not.
Yeah.
Instead of just a design engineer who doesn't actually see it.
Exactly. Exactly. Great. So you said you're experiencing. Any other thoughts about dealing with the company or your installer or anything about that?
Well, we were just talking about the new XT machine, the taller one.
Okay.
And I guess our next step as our business would be to put a second one in to try and expand our reach.
Okay.
To have another option for the customers.
Got it. Get the extra tall vehicles in there.
Yeah.
The 9'10". And who was your installer?
Myself.
Oh, okay. Got it. All right.
I did it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And what's your background?
You mean as far as?
What's your background before car washing?
Carpentry, mechanical.
Okay.
I own my own construction company.
Okay.
So we built houses, done electrical, plumbing, the whole 9.
Yeah, got it.
All of the trades is what we've grown up doing. And
fantastic.
So yes, that's why I had no fear of tackling the install myself and
Great.
we built the building to fit and made everything off the blueprints and off the sites that we went and saw prior to.
Okay. So what do you think of the car wash business compared to your construction business in your past?
The similarities are that there are customers that will always have a challenge for you.
Yeah.
And there's others that will always praise you.
Uh-huh.
But it's all customer service and meeting the expectations.
Yeah.
It's a lot simpler to manage because with the in-bay automatic, you don't have to be present all the time.
Yep.
And it is very reliable. So it's given me a lot of freedom from answering the phone and that kind of thing.
Less people to manage.
Less people to manage, and the pumps never take a day off.
That's right.
Employees call off.
Yep. What does your wife think of the business, the car wash business?
She actually really likes it, and she's brought a lot of, she adds the perspective of the moms and the vans and what makes people feel safe and comfortable. So she's brought a lot of the soft flowers and the decorations to the wash.
Manicuring the wash.
Yeah, so it's totally a team effort. So
we might loop that last sentence like 4 times. I preached to you guys the female demographic is by far the most important demographic.
Absolutely.
Everybody else is easier to please. Mm-hmm. And the females see a lot of different perspective that us guys, it's off a writer. Oh, that's a car wash? I'll go to the car wash.
Right.
When it's flowery and inviting and safe and
well
lit.
Yes.
And you'll grab so many more customers.
Absolutely.
Involving the female demographic in your planning
100%
and in your business for your car wash is, you got it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that's been a big win.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Good.
And when we're there working, she'll go and talk to the customers, and just the engaging aspect because we are a family-run business.
People like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
People do like that if you can do it. We understand some owners can't do that, but if you can, even every once in a while, even if you only go a couple days a week, just that little bit of interaction, it goes farther than you think.
100%.
With the customers, because they'll tell their friends, oh, I talked to the owner, super nice guy, super nice girl.
Yep.
And it goes a long way. So
100%.
Great. Yeah. Anything else you'd like to add to the Petit experience, or?
No, just that it's wonderful to have somebody on the other end of the phone to always answer, and you guys can log in and see what we're seeing and diagnose and help from any location.
Yeah.
And just even here at the show, we actually started the wash from right here to give a customer a wash to get them through. So
Awesome.
being able to service it from any location is amazing.
Yeah. And what was your learning curve? How was that experience going from a different background to learning the car wash remotely and that kind of thing?
It wasn't too horrible at all. The computer program is actually kind of self-explanatory. Good, bright buttons. I mean, it's simple to find. It's a good layout, the menu and everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that was not challenging at all.
Great.
That was very smooth.
Fantastic.
So.
Well, that's good. That's really good input. We're glad you took a few minutes, and glad you're at the show here.
Absolutely.
And I wanted to grab you last year, but we missed each other.
We got away.
Thank you, Tim.
You
Thank you
bet.
for your time.